Good morning to all. Today we will discuss our chapter 15, Visualizing Solid Shapes. In this chapter we will discuss about our shapes which are around us. For examples, we will use some shapes in our daily life. For example, our books, bowls, for example, a bottle, water bottle, bottles, and our ice cream cone. These all are example of shapes. What is this? These all are example of shapes. Okay, now in this chapter we will discuss about these shapes. For example, we will use some books. Okay, for example, let me see. This is a book. What is this? This is in, first of all, there is two question arise. This is of shapes 2D or 3D. Now we will know what is our 2D shape and what is our 3D shape. Let we discuss our shapes. 2D shapes means which we can draw on a plane. For example, this paper is of 2D. For example, we draw a rectangle. This is a rectangle. Can you see what is the height of this rectangle? We cannot see because there is no any height of this figure. This figure have no any height. Now, what we will discuss, can you tell me about the length of this rectangle? Yes, we can measure the length of this rectangle. Yes, and if I ask to you, what is the breadth of this rectangle? Can you measure? Yes, we will measure the breadth also. How many things you will measure? One thing is length and second thing is breadth. That's why this figure is called 2D. Okay, now we suppose we have a shape of this. This is a duster. Now we will discuss about another shape. We already discussed about our 2D shape. Now we will discuss about a 3D shape. This duster is a shape of which, can you tell me? Yes, this is, if I will ask to you one things again, the surface, upper surface of this duster is of which shape? Rectangle. Yes, how can we check the shape of upper top surface of this duster? Because we will watch this edge of the duster. This is length, and what is this? This is breadth of this duster. Okay, now we have also one things in our this figure, which what is this? Is the height. Okay, suppose this is the height of this duster. Now this is the length of this duster, and we will observe this is the breadth means how many width of this duster, how much width is of this duster. This is the breadth of this duster, and the height, how many height of this duster, the height of this duster is this. Then what can we say? That this shape is of which type? 2D or 3D? 3D. Why? Because we have length of this duster, we have also breadth of this duster, and one more thing is height of this duster is also we have. Then this is called a 3D shape. Okay, now we will discuss some shapes and the name of the shapes. Okay, let me take another shapes. This is of which type? You will tell me. This is a shape. Okay, Can you tell me what is the shape of the figure? This figure is of cylinder. Okay. Suppose this box is of which shape? Cylinder shape. How can we tell that this shape is of cylinder? Because in the cylinder, this is when we cut this box, we will get one rectangle. Okay. Suppose let I show you. This is a book, and when we turn this book in this figure, we will get a cylinder. This is called a cylinder. This is a type of cylinder. And now when we cut this cylinder is of from here, when we cut the cylinder from here, we will a surface. And which type of surface is this? This is a type of rectangle. Okay, this is a type of rectangle. Now a second question is arise from this figure. What is this? This is a, now you will tell me, this is a type of circle. Okay, this is a type of circle. A circle from here and one circle is from below, and it means bottom. Okay, suppose this is a cylinder. Okay, we will cut this cylinder from here, from middle we will get a rectangle shape, and when we will cut the top of this cylinder, we will get a circle. This is a type of circle. Now one question is arise in your mind, this circle is of 3D. Yes, this of course this is a 3D, but when we draw in a paper, this is called in 2D, because what we are done in this figure, this type of figure is done in net. This is called the net of the cylinder. Okay, and when we draw the net of any shape, we will discuss in 2D. Okay, this is our work. Now we will discuss our next figure. Our next figure is of, you will tell me, suppose in our previous class we also know how can we draw a 3D shape of any rectangle and of square. This is the 3D shape of square. Okay, this is called this figure's front portion, front. This is of top, and this is called the side portion. Yes, side. We will also we can say that this is the side view of the figure. Now you will tell me, this figure is of type 3D or 2D? This is of 3D. How can we say that this shape is of 3D shape? Because this is the length of the figure, and this is the breadth of this figure, and you can also say that this is the breadth of the figure, and this is the height of how many high this box is, how many height. Okay, now this is of figure square. We will also discuss with the duster. This is a figure of rectangle. Then the 3D shape is called cuboid. This is called a cube in 3D shape. In 3D shape this become a cube. Because why? Because this figure is made up of square everywhere. When the plane is formed as square, then in the 3D it is called a cube, and when the plane figure, when the figure is in form with rectangle, this is called cuboid. Okay, then This is the length of the cuboid, this is the breadth of the cuboid, and this is the height of the cuboid. Okay, so this is the next figure. Now we will going to our next figure. What we have discussed, this is our cone. Have you eaten ice cream? Yes, children's very much like ice cream. What is the shape of the ice cream cone? Have you watched? In our daily life, when we see the ice cream cone, the ice cream cone is up of like this. We will hold this type of cone, and this is a cone, and here we have put some creams also, ice cream, and this portion is empty. Okay, now you already know the portion of this, the figure of the upper portion of the cone is type of circle. What is the type of upper portion of the cone? Is circle, and the circle, and like this we will we can get our cone figure. Yes, this is our cone figure. Okay, then what we said, this is our cone. What we call the shape is of cone. Okay, in the shape of cone, the net of the cone is what we can, how will draw a cone? The rectangle. We will use a rectangle, right? Rectangle, and upper portion is of circle. What is this? Circle. Okay, so this is the net of the cone, but in your book the net of the cone is drawn like this. Like this you will get your net figure of the cone. Okay, now what we have discussed today, one more things we have also discussed. This is a circle. This is a circle, but in 2D. In the 2D we will call this shape is a circle. Now suppose you have a ball with yourself, a ball. What is the shape of the ball? Ball is a sphere. Why? Because there is no any hollow part in the middle of the ball. What we said, the ball is in of the shape of let me show you. This is a circle, plain paper. That's why this is called a circle, because this is in of 2D shape. But suppose here is some part of something, okay? Something means not a hollow part of this figure. When you see a ball, then you can clearly understand this is a shape of sphere which is not hollow in the middle. Okay, a round shape of the figure is called sphere. Okay, we can also tell that okay, what we have discussed today, a shape of cylinder. Let me show again. This is a shape of cylinder, a round shape. Okay, a round shape is called cylinder, and the upper portion in the cylinder is a circle. This is a circle. That's why the net of the surface, a net of the cylinder is for like this circle and the circle. Okay. Next we will discuss about our another shape, cuboid. This duster, length, front, this is the top surface, this is the front surface, and this is the side surface. What is this? Side surface. Okay, next we will discuss about our cone. Cone is made up of one triangle and one circle. This is called a cone. This is called a cone. And the last one we will discuss about cuboid, in which all all planes are formed by a square, means all sides are equal, that is called square. And this is called the 3D shape is cube, and the duster is made up of shape cuboid. Okay, and your football and balls are of shape of sphere. We called sphere. This is of sphere. Okay, now I will show you a book. This is what we have discussed, this figure. Okay, what we use, this figure is of 3D shape, 2D shape. This is of 2D shape. This is a rectangle. What we call this figure is a square. What we this is not a square, this is a circle, and this is of, you all know, this is of rectangle, and what we call this shape is a square. Now what is the shape is of this? First of all we will count the side. 1 2 3 4. 4 means that this is of rectangle, or the shape is square. Why can we not tell the shape of this figure is a rectangle or a square? Why will call this is a quadrilateral? How can we say that? Because there is some condition in a rectangle. What the condition? Opposite sides are equal, and the angle between the adjacent side is of 90 degree. Adjacent sides means this side, and the touching side, this side is adjacent side. Okay, and the angle is between the 90 degree. Then this shape is called rectangle. Now come to the shape of quadrilateral. Can you observe this angle is of right angle? No, this is not of 90 degree. That's why one condition is filled. Now second condition is opposite sides are equal, but in the quadrilateral opposite sides are not equal. We can clearly say by observing this length is greater than of this length. Okay, third condition is the opposite side are of parallel. That's why this is called rectangle. And in this shape, what we call the parallel lines are never touch anywhere. Okay, but now what we done, we have used one pen rather than of this side, and again we will use another pen up of this side. Now can we say that this is of a parallel side? No, this is not made up of a parallel side, because when we go further, these two lines meet in somewhere, and when the two line meet somewhere, these two line will not call parallel line. Okay, then this condition is also failed. And in the square, all sides are equal. These all sides are not equal. So when we observe four sides in a shape, then we again check some condition. If the condition is according to rectangle, then we said that that shape is called rectangle or square. But when the all conditions are failed, and then the four sides of shapes of which include four sides is called quadrilateral. Okay, then the shape is called quadrilateral. We will discuss in our next class about some another types of quadrilaterals, and also we will discuss faces, edges and vertices of the 3D shapes. Okay, we will discuss tomorrow what is the faces of this figure, what is the edge of this figure, and what is the vertices of this figure. This will be our next homework. Okay, today you will again revise your syllabus of which is regarding of your chapter visualizing solid shape in your home, you will discuss, you will again watch your every figure. For example, you can use your glass and then you will observe which figure is of this made up of, what is the middle shape and what is the upper shape. Okay, you will do your homework with these daily basis figures. Okay, thank you.